Hello everyone, this is Inggrid speaking, candidate volunteer on public speaking batch 4 from Halolearn, and I'd like to introduce you a program, cohort program, named Copywriter Program from Halolearn. But before I tell you more about the program, I'll let you know about Halolearn first. Halolearn is the edu startup that will help you accelerate your career, boost your skills, and make you more productive. This startup offers you a lot of programs, and one of the programs is called Program about the Copywriter. Yeah, Copywriter Cohort Program. The program will conducted by the experts. You hear that? The experts. And you will learn not only the theory, you will get the practical session. It has 6 sessions and it will help you from the basic, intermediate, even the advanced skills. This program will also help you build your portfolio. So then, after you finishing this program, this class, you will gain more insight and have a new portfolio. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wow? Because nowadays it's hard to find a workshop with small amount of money that we spend, but a lot of knowledge and practical. Even a portfolio nowadays are needed. It will be a waste if you don't join this class. I'll be sad because this one will help you maybe to get your dream job, to gain more viewers on your blog, gain more customer on your online shop, even more clients if you're a freelance, or even you can be freelance too, right? So I strongly suggest you to join the Copywriter Cohort Program. The nearest class will start on July 2022, so don't be late. Register yourself through the website halolearnid.com, and then you choose the program, and then you choose the cohort program and Copywriter Cohort Program batch 7. Don't forget to book your seat, mark your calendar, and prepare yourself to be the better version of you. This is Inggrid and sign up. Bye bye.